CII actually continuously interacts with various stakeholders through the national committees that we have, the subcommittees and the panel meetings, and we report back to the government on the various initiatives. CII has formed task forces, subsequently proposed concrete steps to be taken by the Indian industry for creating education, employment opportunities for people belonging especially to the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe. It is to help the government and civil society in the national endeavor to ensure equal opportunity to members of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities. I'm also happy to note that Mr. Nara was talking about the Dalit entrepreneurs getting into such high technology fields like aerospace and heavy engineering. This progress is being made on the 4 E's, whether it is entrepreneurship development, whether it is employability, whether it is education, or whether it is employment for scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe. This has been well received by the Indian industry, and in addition to this, CII has also developed a code of conduct on affirmative action, which is being followed by all our member companies. This code relates to non-discrimination, assistance, and transparency with respect to employees, applicants, and vendors, especially from the SC/ST communities, and this is a voluntary commitment among all its members. Needless to say, the member companies have been proactive and enthusiastic by the CII's mission mode. Various companies have evolved different programs, and there is an enthusiasm and a greater engagement with the society and the underprivileged. CII has received spontaneous support from all its industry members. And I would like to briefly mention a few of the initiatives that we have had in the past in the field of affirmative action, especially in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. CII members have shown very strong interest in contributing to the scholarships of SC and ST candidates to the Foundation for Academic Excellence and Access by CII. And these scholarships are given for higher education and professional courses. Members have been actively supporting entrepreneurship training. There is a magazine called Endeavor, which has been initiated in the 4 regions of the CII, that is the North, South, East, and West. Companies from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh also contribute to this magazine. The Endeavor publishes success stories of our members and help companies to understand how to establish affirmative action in their own respective companies, especially if they have not done so far. CII has also earlier organized bank clerical exams, free orientation training for SC/ST bank exam applicants.